India is preparing to make its boldest leap in space technology. The Indian Space Research Organization has fastened their work on what will be its most powerful and tallest rocket ever built, named Soorya. This next generation launch vehicle will stand at 92 meters tall. That makes it even taller than Delhi's iconic Qutub Minar. Soorya is not just another rocket. It is a symbol of India's growing ambition to join the league of global space powers that dominate heavy lift and reusable rocket technology. This rocket is designed for the future. Soorya will not only carry the heaviest payloads India has ever launched, but will also use reusable stages and green propulsion systems, making it cost effective and environmentally responsible. Its approval by the Union Cabinet in September 2024 marked a turning point in India's space journey. This is not just about building a rocket, it is about building India's future in space exploration. Former ISRO chairman Dr. K. Shivan once said that India must think long term if it wants to compete with global players like USA SpaceX, Russia and China. Soorya is the answer to the challenge. It is the backbone of India's plans to operate its own space station by 2035 and land an Indian crew on the moon by 2040. With Soorya, India is declaring that it will not be left behind in the new space race. It has also been revealed that it will take about 7 years to complete full development of the project, and ISRO plans 3 test flights before it becomes operational. The Union Cabinet has already cleared an investment of over 8,240 crores. This budget covers the rocket's development, 3 flight tests, building new facilities and preparing for launch campaigns. It is a major national commitment and it proves that India's space program enjoys full backing from the government. Soorya is being developed in 2 versions. The first version will be for low Earth orbit, which is ideal for launching satellites closer to Earth. The second version will be for geosynchronous transfer orbit, designed to place satellites much higher, including those that need to hover over specific points on Earth for communications or weather monitoring. These 2 versions will make Soorya a highly versatile rocket capable of handling almost every kind of mission. The numbers speak for themselves. In its expendable mode, Soorya can carry 23.4 tons of low Earth orbit and 9.6 tons to geosynchronous orbit. In recoverable and reusable mode, it can still carry an impressive 14.8 tons to low Earth orbit and 5.5 tons to geosynchronous orbit. This marks a huge jump compared to ISRO's current workhorse rockets. More importantly, the recoverable design brings India into the elite group of space agencies working on reusability, something pioneered by SpaceX with its Falcon rockets. Reusability means lower launch costs, faster turnaround times and more frequent missions, exactly what India needs as it expands its space activities. The design of Soorya is equally impressive. It will be a 3-stage rocket. The first stage will be powered by 9 clustered engines and it is being designed to be recovered and reused. The second stage will have 2 engines, while the third stage will provide the final push for the payload. This cluster-based design makes the rocket more reliable and powerful, while also opening the door for easier maintenance and recovery. Another important feature is the use of modular green propulsion. This means Soorya will run on environmentally safer fuels that reduce pollution and carbon emissions. In a time when climate change and sustainability are global concerns, India's decision to integrate green technology into such a massive rocket is a bold and responsible step. It shows that ISRO is not just chasing power and performance, but also looking at the long-term future of humanity in space. Soorya is not being built for one-time achievements, it is the rocket that will carry India's future space station modules, resupply cargo and crew. It will also play a key role in lunar missions and deep space exploration. From Chandrayaan to Mangalyaan, India has already proved its capability to achieve big goals at low cost. Now with Soorya, India is preparing to move into the same league as countries that dominate heavy lift technology. Think about the scale of ambition here. Gaganyaan uncrewed mission will take place in December 2025 with a humanoid robot Vyamitra. It will be the first of 3 planned uncrewed missions that will pave the way for India's maiden human spaceflight, now expected in early 2027. Then India plans to have its own space station by 2035. By 2040, the country aims to send Indians to the surface of the moon. All of these goals require a rocket like Soorya, powerful, reusable and versatile. With it, India stands shoulder to shoulder with the United States, Russia and China. For decades, ISRO has been punching above its weight. From launching the cheapest mission to Mars to successfully landing Chandrayaan-3 on the moon, India has earned global respect. But space is changing fast. Private companies and superpowers are investing billions into reusable rockets. If India has to remain a leader, it needs its own giant leap forward. Soorya is exactly that leap. This rocket is not just taller than the Qutub Minar. It is taller than the doubts of critics who once believed India could never compete in the global space race. It is taller than the challenges of technology, funding and international competition. Soorya is a statement of intent. It tells the world that India is here. It tells the world that India is here, ready to lead, ready to innovate and ready to explore the universe on its own terms. When Soorya finally lifts off, it will not just be a rocket leaving Earth. It will be India's ambition taking flight. It will be the roar of a confident nation telling the world that we are prepared for the next space age. The countdown has begun, and with Soorya, India's journey to the stars is only just getting started.